is in three parts. First, I'm gonna talk about the food safety and food handling. Second, food properly helps kill harmful bacteria. Hello everyone, my name is Kanjal Munjani and this video is for my PSW 164 nutrition assignment, and in this video I'm gonna show and explain a meal that is very important to my culture and my personal life, and this video is in three parts. First, I'm gonna talk about the food safety and food handling. Second, I'm gonna talk about the ingredients and how I'm gonna cook it, and the third, I'm gonna explain my dishes cultural importance and how nutrition is important in healthcare according to Canada's food guide. So the dish I'm gonna prepare is a vegetable khichdi, which includes rice, lentils and some spices and vegetables, and this dish is very healthy, nutritious and comforting. Let's start with the first part. So there are four main principles for the food safety and food handling. First is clean, separate, then cook and chill. So for clean, before I start everything, I always wash my hands with warm water and soap for 20 minutes, 20 seconds, and this helps to prevent bacteria from spreading to food. Important part in washing is cleaning vegetables. So cleaning vegetables kills the bacteria, and I also cleans the cutting boards, utensils and kitchen counter to prevent the bacteria from spreading. And after washing, second principle is separate. This helps prevent cross contamination. So cross contamination happens when bacteria spreads from one food to another. Also, to prevent cross contamination, I have used clean cutting boards, clean utensils and clean counters. So the third principle is cook. Cooking food properly helps kill harmful bacteria. When preparing khichdi, I cook the rice and lentils until they are soft and fully cooked. So cooking food properly makes it safe to eat and also improves the texture and taste. And the fourth principle is chill. So if there are leftovers, it's very important to be stored safely. So food should be placed in refrigerator within 2 hours after cooking. Leftovers should be stored in clean containers and with the lids. When reheating food, it should be heated until it becomes hot all the way through. So this helps keep the food safe. as a vegetable, in vegetable I'm using potato, carrots and some tomatoes and also the green peas, and these are very healthy and nutritious. So these green peas are already washed. So now I'm gonna wash the cutting potatoes, because it's very important to wash this after cutting it. So let's just wash. Now it's time to cook. So now let's talk about the ingredients. So I have taken 1 potato, 1 carrot, 1 green peas, these are already washed, and 1 tomato. And for the khichdi I'm using this lentil, it's called tuvar dal in India, and some rice. So for the khichdi I'm gonna mix this and gonna wash it. And for the spices I have taken some cumin seeds, coriander powder, some haldi powder, turmeric powder and red chili powder, and some oil. So let's start washing this two rice. So I have taken 1 cup of rice and half cup of lentils. So it's very important to wash rice and lentils for 3 to 4 times to make sure that it's totally clean. So khichdi is very special to me, and in my family it has very importance. Especially in Gujarati family, we eat khichdi almost every day, because it's very light and easy to digest. If someone is sick, we usually eat khichdi, and it's very nutritious and comforting food. We will add cumin seeds in hot oil. After this, we're gonna add our chopped veggies. So we're gonna add these things into this one. And we're gonna cook our vegetable until it becomes slightly soft. And after this, we are going to add some spices. I'm adding salt. Now I'm adding some red chili powder. Some coriander powder. And some turmeric powder. And now I'm gonna mix everything together. So we will wait till spices are cooked, and after this we're gonna add our lentils and rice and some water. So now it looks like it's slightly softened. So now we are adding this. So now we are mixing it, and after this we are also adding some water. Now we're gonna cook it for like 15 to 20 minutes, and after 3 to 4 whistles, it's finally our khichdi will be ready. This meal is very important in Indian culture, as I have mentioned, especially in Gujarati family. So it's very light and easy to digest, and this dish reminds me of my culture and my childhood, and of course my family and my home. And this meal reflects my cultural background and identity. Proper nutrition is very important for maintaining good health. According to Canada's food guide, every meal should include vegetable or fruit, any protein and any grain. The meal I prepared includes every nutrition. So rice provides energy because it has a carbohydrates, and vegetables provide vitamins and fibers that support overall health. Lentils provide protein that's good for build and repair the body. So because this meal includes different food groups, it's balanced and nutritious meal. So now let's talk about the culture and health. The culture also plays an important role in food and health. So people often prefer food that are connected to their tradition and their culture. So in healthcare setting, it's very important for caregivers to respect the culture and their food preferences. So in conclusion, this assignment helped me to understand the importance of food safety, nutrition, and cultural tradition. and thank you for watching my video presentation.